Now it's recording.
I think they're recording too, but I'm not sure.
No, it's for them to check.
Actually, I can hold the track.
Off we go, Iron Gwazi, row 3. Ellie's second ride on it. This is assuming you can hear me. Oh. It's ridiculous how big this is. I don't think she saw me. There we go. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous, but it's a great view. Oh my god! That was a bit extreme.
The whole time that me and Phil were on it, Phil was just going, oh my god, oh my god.
That was, that's a big ride for a lap bar and a belt.
The vertical drop was scared, and that's like the scariest bit. I'm not worried about the rest of that drop, but so 91 degrees.
That's impressive. I'll turn you off now.